Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to install Flask and how basics of Flask. Flask is Python micro framework used for developing web applications or Python APIs. To install Flask, we can directly write pip install Flask, or alternatively, we can create a requirement file so that we can manage multiple such packages. What is pip? Pip is Python package manager. That is that we can using the pip we can install the packages, we can upgrade the available packages, and we can manage such packages. In this example, I am going to show you how to install packages, that is Flask framework package using requirement file. First, go to your Explorer, right click here. First, make sure that you are in your virtual environment. That is, in my case, that's my name is my environment. Right click on the file explorer, create new file, keep the file name as requirements.txt. In the txt file, I will just mention the name as Flask. This is my package name. Save it. So to execute or to install this package name, what we will do is we'll go to our terminal. You can write pip install. First, we need to read what is inside this text file. So read flag requirement.txt. That's requirements.txt. When we execute this code, it's going to install our package, that is Flask framework. After installing Flask, we are going to check whether we have installed it properly. Just type flask dash dash version. It will show you the Python version, Flask version, and this is WSGI gateway. We will learn about this later on. Okay, now let's write a simple code to understand the basics of the Flask framework. First, let's create a Python file. Right click on the file explorer, new file. Let's give it a name app.py. That is Python file. Let's import Flask from Flask import Flask. Okay, we have imported the package. Now we are going to instantiate the Flask framework. That is app equal to Flask underscore name. Next, if you want to execute the file in the main branch, we will write if this is conditional execution underscore main app dot run. This line tells the interpreter under what condition the main method should be executed. When it's in code, it will run the app.run method. In a web application or normal website, you might have seen on several places, there are several pages like about page, home page, contact page. This is called different routes. How are we going to implement routes very easily in the Flask framework? We can just use the decorator app.root decorator app.root, give a name, give a root. For a normal domain name, we'll give a slash, and we are going to create a definition for this. What it will do is decorator will do is it will bind this function for this root. That's the slash root, that's the home root. For this, we'll give a function name as home. When the home root is invoked, that is a slash for the home root is invoked, we will return hello. at home page. Hello, you are at home page. We can also add HTML head tag here if you want. For now, we will save it here. Then we will try to run this program. To run this program, just type Flask space run. You can see here, this is a development server. Do not use this in a production deployment. Okay. Also, we can use WSJ server instead. Running on this URL. Copy this URL. Go to your website. Go to browser. Click paste this URL and check the result. Hello, you are at the home page. See, this is our route. This is how we create a simplest route in the Flask framework. Let's create one more route to understand and to create how to create multiple routes. This is for the slash route. Let's create one more route with the name at the rate. This is a decorator app dot route. Let's create a name. The name of the route is name. Okay. Let's take this as a variable. Whenever we put this in such a bracket here, it will dynamically accept the values. Okay, it will dynamically accept the values. Definition, let's give a user function name as user, that is name. We are extracting the this variable and passing it as an argument here. We will return this is string literal hello. We are taking this variable name. We will save it. After saving, we will just open our browser, that is slash. Let's give some name. Hi, URL is not found. We may need to restart our server. Let's press Ctrl C to end the server. Ctrl C. If you may have to press twice to stop the server. Again run Flask run. Hello, you are at home page. This is home page. Space name. Let's see. Whatever the value you give, it will appear on your browser. Okay, page. This is how you can dynamically create routes. If I want to create, so let's say about us, see, contact. If I want to create a contact, this is how we create a simple web pages in the Flask framework.